the bustling world we live in, where everyone is constantly on the move, digital marketing has become the heartbeat of modern business. In today's hyper-connected world, digital marketing isn't just an option, it's a necessity. It's the bridge that connects businesses to their customers, no matter where they are. If you're not visible online, you're practically invisible. The digital landscape is vast, and without a strong online presence, your business risks fading into obscurity. Businesses of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, rely on digital channels to reach their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Think about it. When was the last time you went a day without checking your phone, browsing the web, or scrolling through social media? Our daily routines are intertwined with digital interactions. Exactly. Your customers are online, and that's where you need to be. The online marketplace is crowded, but with the right strategies, you can stand out and capture the attention of your target audience. Digital marketing provides a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing you to engage with them in real time, understand their needs, and tailor your message accordingly. Ignore digital marketing at your own peril. The consequences of neglecting your online presence can be dire, leading to missed opportunities and lost revenue. Embrace it, and you'll unlock a world of opportunities to connect with your audience, grow your brand, and achieve your business goals. No excuses. Get in the game. The time is now to harness the power of digital marketing and propel your business to new heights. Now, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. This is the magic that makes your website show up on Google when someone searches for products or services like yours. Imagine you're running a small bakery and someone in your town searches for best cupcakes near me. SEO is what helps your bakery's website appear in those search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. It's about making sure your website is visible, relevant, and trustworthy in the eyes of search engines. Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to determine which websites should appear at the top of search results. They look for signals that indicate your website is a reliable source of information. Think of Google as the coolest kid in school. Everyone wants to be friends with Google because it can introduce you to a lot of people. But to get on its good side, you need to follow certain rules and speak its language. To get on its good side, you need to speak its language. This means understanding what Google values and optimizing your website accordingly. Google values high-quality content, user-friendly design, and websites that are easy to navigate. SEO involves optimizing your website's content, structure, and technical elements to align with search engine algorithms. This includes things like using relevant keywords, which are the terms people type into search engines when looking for information. For example, if you're a plumber, you might want to use keywords like emergency plumbing services or leaky faucet repair. This includes things like using relevant keywords, building high-quality backlinks, which are links from other reputable websites to your site, and ensuring your site loads quickly. Backlinks act like votes of confidence from other websites, telling search engines that your site is trustworthy and authoritative. A fast-loading website provides a better user experience, which is something search engines prioritize. No one likes waiting for a slow website to load, and search engines know that. The higher you rank in search results, the more likely people are to find you. Higher rankings mean more visibility, which can lead to more traffic and potential customers. It's like having a prime spot in a busy shopping mall. SEO is a long game, but the results are worth it. It takes time to see significant improvements, but with consistent effort, your website can climb the search rankings. Think of it like planting a garden. You need to nurture it over time to see it flourish. Invest in SEO and watch your organic traffic soar. Over time, you'll notice more visitors coming to your site without the need for paid advertising. This organic traffic is highly valuable because it consists of people actively searching for what you offer, making them more likely to engage with your content and become customers. Content is the fuel that powers your digital marketing engine. It's what attracts, engages, and converts your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, or social media updates, content is how you tell your story and build relationships. But listen, it's not just about creating any old content. It needs to be valuable, relevant, and engaging. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? Create content that provides solutions and answers their questions. Consistently deliver high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Make it a habit, and watch your audience grow. Social media is where your audience hangs out, connects with friends, and gets their information. It's a goldmine of opportunity to build relationships, engage with your community, and drive traffic to your website. But it's not just about being on every platform. It's about choosing the right platforms for your business and creating content that resonates with your target audience. Identify the platforms where your target audience is most active and focus your efforts there. Create content that is tailored to each platform, engage with your followers, and use social media analytics to track your progress. Social media is all about building relationships. Be authentic, be engaging, and provide value to your audience. Email marketing may seem old school, but trust me, it's far from dead. It's evolving and adapting to the modern digital landscape in ways that make it more powerful than ever. It's one of the most effective ways to nurture leads, build relationships with customers, and drive sales. When someone subscribes to your email list, they are giving you direct access to their inbox, a space they check regularly. Your email list is full of people who have already expressed interest in your brand. These individuals have taken the time to sign up, indicating a level of trust and curiosity about what you offer. It's a captive audience that you can reach directly. Unlike social media platforms where algorithms control visibility, emails land straight in the inbox, giving you a direct line of communication. But here's the key: provide value. Your emails should offer something beneficial to the reader, whether it's insightful content, exclusive offers, or helpful tips. Nobody wants to be bombarded with spammy emails. If your emails are perceived as spam, they will be ignored or worse, lead to unsubscribes. Instead, focus on creating valuable, informative, and engaging emails that your subscribers will actually look forward to receiving. Personalization is key here. Use their names, reference their past interactions, and tailor the content to their interests. Segment your list, personalize your messages, and use compelling calls to action. Segmentation allows you to send more targeted emails, increasing the relevance and effectiveness of your campaigns. Building an email list takes time. Offer valuable lead magnets, such as ebooks, checklists, or webinars, to incentivize people to sign up. These lead magnets should be directly related to your business and provide immediate value to the subscriber. Treat your email list like gold, and it will pay dividends for your business. Nurture your subscribers with consistent, high-quality content, and watch as your engagement and conversion rates soar. Email marketing, when done right, can be a game changer for your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other related topics. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos for more insights and tips to help you succeed in the digital world. See you in the next video.